Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? My name is Linda and you're here in my nookery in the UK. I live in Warrington, which is halfway between Manchester and Liverpool, and yeah, I do podcasts, giveaways, yarn hauls, and I go live every Wednesday at 5 p.m. British summertime or GMT, whatever time of the year it is, which is always 12 noon Eastern. And today is just a small quick video because I've got a couple of yarn hauls. They're just little ones. One of them is my Beehive yarn subscription, monthly subscription, and the other one is some yarn that I purchased from Giddy yarns that I met at the East Anglia Yarn Festival in March. So I just wanted to share with you those, what I purchased. So the first one I want to show you is what I bought, what I purchased from Giddy yarns, and they are based in Dundee. So, and it come in this little lovely tissue paper with thank you on. It's really nice. And let's see what I purchased, guys. I'm saving my pennies because I'm going on holiday the end of this month, so I'm saving my money to see what yarn I can get in Turkey. Oh, look, I got colour of the month for September, which was last year's, and it's hand dyed solid speckles and stripes for the nostalgic colour lover. There we go. It's the yarn base of 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 425 meters, 464 yards, and this is 100 grams. And I'm thinking these will make a really nice pair of socks for Rick. I really like the colours. Can you see you've got the pinks? Pink, Rick doesn't mind. These and all the speckles. I really love the colours on this one. Really nice. Can you see all the speckles? I love yarn that has speckles on them. I don't know why, I just think they add that little extra touch, don't you think, guys? So really excited to use that. And then while I was there, I found she had these kitty, they're snips, guys, they're scissors, but everybody should have a pair, and these are the kitty ones. And so I bought a pair for Miss. I bought a pair for our June, and I bought a couple of extra pairs for my notions bags, because you know I have at least 10 whips on the go. So I bought some more, and these are higher. These are cat snips, so I've got 2 green cat snips, and I've got a blue. Oh, this says, oh, this is a blue one. Hold on. Yeah, I got all cats. I got all cats, guys. So this blue one I'm going to give to my sister because she loves blue. So I'm going to give our June this blue pair. Can you see? Aren't they just? And these will be ideal, guys, when I go on holiday. It'll be ideal for my holidays. I wasn't going to take anything with me, but then I thought, that's not going to happen, Linda. That's not going to happen. You're going to be climbing the ceiling or the sky. You'll be trying to. So I am going to take, I think I'm going to take some knitting with me. I'm going to take some knitting with me. Socks, I think. And I might even cast on a Musselburgh hat. Because that's just continuous knit, 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 knit. So I might take that with me. And then again, I'm thinking I might take me crocheting, but some crocheting, but I don't know what to do, guys. What do you suggest? I'm definitely going to take some knitting socks. Definitely going to take my socks with me. So yeah, so I got 3 of those, and this Giddy Up yarn. So, and then before I go any further, then I got my Beehive yarn subscription, the subscription. Sorry, guys. And I'm really happy, guys, that people are using paper bags now. That's the way forward. And Simple Pleasures Yarn Club, that's what it is. So let's see what I've got. Sorry about the crinkle. Some people like it, some people don't. To be honest, guys, it doesn't bother me. And this is the inspiration for this month's, and it is Blossom. It is true, as they say, that the blossoms of spring are all the more precious because they bloom so briefly. And that's by Maruasaki. No, it's Marusaki Shikibu, which I'm presuming is Japanese or possibly Chinese. So yeah, so that's the inspiration. I got Organic Tea Time, a tea bag. And this, guys, oh my god, it's gorgeous. Look at that, and a little bit of green so you can see the inspiration. There's just a touch of green, but look at that. Isn't that just stunning? I'm not a pink person, guys. You all know I'm not a pink person, but that will make a beautiful, beautiful. Do you know what? I think I might use this and make a Musselburgh. What do you think? I think that would make a really nice Musselburgh. I don't want to make socks with that, guys. Or it would make a nice one skein shawl. No, maybe not, won't. Blossom, Simple Pleasures Yarn Club. It's Audrey Classic Sock. 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 100 grams, 425 meters, 465 yards. So these are the yarns I purchased. So what do you think I should make, guys? Come on, give me a or a cowl. Make a nice cowl, wouldn't it? I don't know, guys. So I'm definitely going to make socks for Rick with them, I think. And then this one, I don't really want to make socks with that, guys. What do you think? I'm snookered. Oh, it's beautiful yarn. Maybe a cowl. It's not going to be big enough for a shawl. Oh well, but it is beautiful, isn't it? So yeah, so they're my purchases for this month. It's not much, guys, but these snips are June is going to really love them because she's a blue girl. As I'm purples, she's blues. And then I've got a teal and a green, and I got this. So it's the little things in life, guys, that makes us happy. So I hope whatever you're doing, you've got planned. It's spring is coming. I've actually started pegging my washing out, which is lovely. It's not getting dry, but at least it's getting some fresh air, and there's nothing nicer than putting your bedding outside and getting a breeze, and then it's when you put it on your bed, it's lovely and fresh. I love spring. I love summer. I hate winter. I like fall because of the weather, because of the colours that nature gives to us, preparing us for winter when it's all doom and gloom. But oh yes, spring, when spring has sprung, I know that it's summer's coming, which is my favourite time of the year, guys. So that's all from me for today. I've waffled on more than enough. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you. Bye for now.